Some landscapes do not feel carved by time alone. They feel ancient, limitless, almost beyond imagination. From above, the Grand Canyon opens like a vast earthbound cathedral of stone, color, and silence. Far below, the Colorado River winds through the desert, shaping one of the most extraordinary landscapes on Earth. This is not simply a view. It is a journey through scale, stillness, and wonder. Tonight, Bonafit takes you above the Grand Canyon, where desert light and ancient rock tell a story written across millions of years. As we approach the rim, the canyon reveals itself not all at once, but in breathtaking layers. The land falls away in terraces of red, ochre, rust, and shadow. From the rim, the human scale disappears, and the canyon becomes almost impossible to measure. High desert stillness gives way to sudden immensity, where open plateau meets the broken geometry of the gorge. This is the kind of place that asks for silence first, and words only after. Each descending layer feels like a page in the geological memory of the American Southwest. The river appears almost quiet from this height, yet it has shaped the canyon through patience beyond human time. Here, stone rises in vast sculpted faces marked by erosion, light, and endless sky. As the sun shifts, shadow becomes architecture, drawing new patterns across the canyon floor. No single frame can contain it fully. The Grand Canyon is a place of scale that resists certainty. And yet, within that scale, there is detail, fine texture, fragile edges, and delicate lines carved into stone. The deeper we look, the more the canyon feels less like scenery and more like time made visible. To the west, the canyon opens through another dramatic chapter of this landscape, shaped by vast plateaus and sudden cliffs. At Eagle Point, the canyon's edge feels bold and immediate, a meeting place of open sky and sheer depth. Here, modern design reaches out over ancient stone, inviting a view suspended above immense silence. Farther along, rugged points and exposed ridges create some of the most dramatic silhouettes in the canyon. Places like this, human presence feels small, yet deeply connected to the grandeur around it. Not far from the canyon system, the Colorado River performs one of its most iconic turns. Horseshoe Bend feels almost too precise to be natural, a sweeping curve of water held within desert stone. From above, the scene becomes pure composition, line, depth, color, and stillness. This is one of those rare views that feels instantly familiar, yet no less astonishing when seen with your own eyes. The desert does not rush its beauty. It reveals it slowly, in light, in contour, and in silence. As our journey over the Grand Canyon begins to slow, its images remain vast, quiet, and unforgettable. In the final light of day, the canyon softens, but its scale remains as humbling as ever. From rim to river, from sculpted cliffs to distant plateaus, this landscape leaves behind more than scenery. It leaves a feeling. A reminder that some places are not simply visited. They are carried with us long after we leave. Thank you for flying with Bonafit Virtual Aerial Tours. Subscribe and join us for more breathtaking journeys from above. Until next time, keep exploring.